Have you ever wondered how much money that you can make online? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple money making method where you can use to make money online. This website gonna pay you $4, $10, $30, $120. All you need is internet, a microphone, or laptop or smartphone. If you have any of those, then you can make this kind of money every single day for free. All you have to do is answer some question and you get paid. There is no right, there is no wrong answer. Before we begin, guys, if you're interested in watching make money online videos, all you have to do is support our channels. We only make a legit way to make money online videos. So subscribe, press the bell icon and press the like button on the bottom of the video so other people can watch this video and make money online. Here, this is the website basically that you can see. You can apply. After you apply, you can answer a bunch of questions they require to understand about yourself. So what you're interested in, what kind of education you have, some related informations. Don't worry about that. They don't ask you any personal question. After you answer those questions, now you are qualified to take a test. All you have to do is share your own experience, own knowledge about the product. There's no right or wrong answer. All you have to do is speak out of your mind and you get paid $4 for every 5 minutes, $10 for every 20 minutes, and $30 to $120 for face-to-face interview. This is eligible when you have a higher rating on your simple test. So in the beginning, you have a smaller test. They're going to pay you $4 and $10. If you have a good rating on that, I will show you what it's going to look like. Then you are eligible for bigger payout like $30 or $120. This website is called user testing. It's allowed to test websites, app, and you have to give your own opinion about this product or the website or app, and you get paid for that. So when you go to this website, this is the front page. You need to put an email address and click get started. After you input your email address, it will take you to this page. It will ask you to verify that. You need to follow the steps afterward. They will ask a bunch of questions, not the personal questions, and they will need to know your interest and your product experience and something like that. You answer the question, it will lead to your dashboard. I'm going to show you how the dashboard gonna look like. Now, after you complete the test, your available test will be shown on here. At the moment, I don't have any test, but if you click this one called complete test, then you can see I already completed one test. I get paid around $10 and they give you 4 out of 5 stars. Also, on each test, they will give a feedback, what you have to improve on the next test. On each feedback, they will give what mistake that you made in each test. So all you have to do is read the feedback and you need to improve that mistake on the next test. So when you improve those mistakes, you started to get a 5-star rating. Then you are qualified for face-to-face interview, which is going to pay you $30 to $120. These are the sections where you might find where you're going to find all of your other informations. And basically, this website is going to pay you money to test website and app. In summary, usertesting.com is going to pay you money to test website and app. You will get payout through PayPal. Every 20-minute test is going to pay you $10. Every 5 minutes test is going to pay you $4. And you will get your PayPal payout in 7 days, guys. And again, if you did your test correctly every single time and if you get a 5-star rating, you will have a face-to-face interview with them and that will make you $30 to $120 within 10 to 20 minutes, guys. So if you are beginners and if you have an internet and a laptop or a iPhone or smartphone and microphone, you can join this website and easily make money online every single day for free, guys. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything, just join, complete those tests and you will get paid every single day. Again, guys, if you are interested in watching video like this one, show your support by subscribe to my channels, press the like button on the bottom of the videos so other people can watch this video and earn money online.